So Freunde, in Neu-Delhi angekommen, Chunky Chowk Tour und hier ist das Juma Masjid, hat 3 verschiedene Gates und das ist dieses bekannte Chunky Chowk Markt in Old Delhi.
Market.
But normally here is more busy.
Yeah.
Now it's empty, right?
Yeah.
Because of Sunday or what?
Sunday.
Everything closed?
Everything closed. Some are open, some closed. This is card market, wallpaper market. Wallpaper market.
Tomorrow is open here? Everything?
Tomorrow will be open. Even today also, few are open, few closed.
Today also open?
Yeah, some open, some closed as the days goes on.
Okay, in the evening everything is open here.
These are the shops, wholesale market of competition school.
Okay.
Medical engineering law. You can see the people, those who are working here as a labor, their house are all street, they're selling food,
They living here?
they're living here. Yeah.
I saw a video in YouTube. Here in
Don't take out your elbow outside. Maybe someone will hit you.
Okay.
Elbow is on the hold it from the
Okay. Somewhere here in Chunky Chowk, it was a restaurant, and a lot of poor peoples are sitting around the restaurants and waiting for food. That somebody invites them to food. You know this place?
That is near to Karim's,
It was here in Chunky Chowk.
Sani Chowk or somewhere else.
Okay. Can I walk here by myself or it's dangerous? Tomorrow.
In the daytime is okay, no problem.
Okay. Night problem?
Night, you are alone, okay, no problem.
Maybe problem, yeah?
Little, don't go in the outdoor day. This they are for the sari.
What is this?
Sari.
Sari. They buy sari or what?
Yeah, sari.
These guys wanna buy sari?
Yeah. They queue up for the sari.
The men's also?
Men's buy for their family.
Okay.
Men never used to wear. They buy it from their family.
Hier ist wieder Chaos, Freunde.
आगे बढ़ाएगा तब ना बढ़ेगा.
Ich hasse dieses Hupen, ne? Überall einfach. Why you don't want to go this side?
No, not this one, because this is totally a narrow street. I will show you from the main street. Then we will coming back. We will come from here.
Okay, perfect. So what is more expensive in India, silk or cashmere? Same? You don't know?
Yeah, I know, but compare like which type of work is there. If it is more knitted work, it will be costly. Embroidery work, it will be costly.
In Germany, cashmere is very much expensive than silk. But I think in India, same. But I'm not sure.
Have you been to Varanasi, Agra, Jaipur? Have you tried?
Yeah.
Have you tried?
Tried, but not buying.
You can buy in Delhi.
Varanasi is famous for it, right?
Which one?
Varanasi is famous for
Varanasi famous for
silk.
silk
Yeah.
sari, not
Yeah.
not
Correct.
the shawl.
Correct.
Delhi is famous for the Kashmir. And
Delhi is
silk.
famous for Kashmir and silk.
silk,
Okay.
Today, when you take a tour of New Delhi, I told you about the craft society.
Yeah.
You can check out there.
Okay.
You can check the price.
You show me later?
Yeah. I'll check.
Okay.
You can check the price because here it is a wholesale market.
Okay.
And here wholesale market means if you buy in the bulk, you'll get like about 5 to 6 quantity. You'll get the price less.
Okay.
Enjoying the trip?
Yeah, of course.
I forget your name.
Huh?
Your name?
Sony.
Sony.
Yeah.
S-O-N-I.
Soner. Normally Soner, but you can call me Sony. I forgot also your name.
So you can call me Satish Kumar. Kumar.
Kumar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your name is very popular. Sony.
Sony, is it?
Yeah.
You know what it means? Kumar in my language? Kumar? You know what it means in my language? When you play card games for money,
Okay.
that means Kumar
Kumar.
in my language. My original language is Turkish, you know?
Turkish.
You understand?
Yeah. Turkish. Turkey.
You know Turkey?
Yeah.
Original from Turkey but living in Germany.
Turkey, Istanbul.
İstanbul, Ankara, Zonguldak, Eskişehir, Çorum. I am from Zonguldak originally. You know Zonguldak? No? Karakoşlu köyü? No? Famous köy,
Famous?
a village.
Okay. Like to walk?
Up to you. Up to you.
He will wait for us.
Okay.
I will show you the spice mart.
Okay, perfect.
This is biggest spice mart. Till now you have seen only the small places like one shop, two shops, little one.
Okay.
Now you see the Asia's biggest market.
Okay.
तो मेरे को पहचान लेना वीवो
Okay, see you brother. Yeah?
left side they are the professional people waiting for their turn to come. Plumber, painter, mason, painter, carpenter, plumber, electrician. You hire them, you can take them for the work and they will back.
Understand.
You call them
So all of them are homeless, sir?
they are waiting for their work to come.
Okay.
And those are the gypsies. Gypsy.
Okay.
Blacksmith. Sunday, some shops are closed. They sell on the road, not on other day, only on Sunday.
Okay, understand. Wow, das ist real Indian, Freunde. Is Lacha?
No. This is a desert. Just see, touch it.
Is not lassi?
No, I will tell you, touch it. You feel it.
Very cold.
Very good. There is no refrigerator here.
Okay.
This is called desert, and we call it Rabadi. It's like a desert. So there is no refrigerator here. How he is cooling down? He's taking the industrial ice,
Yeah.
crush it, and he puts salt on that. And
Okay.
the ice will melt very slowly. till
Okay,
evening.
okay.
So entire day he will slow it down. Because if he is putting the fridge,
Yeah.
he has to pay extra for the electricity. And there is
Understand.
no electricity on the street. He will
Understand.
take the electricity from the shop.
Okay.
Shopkeeper will charge him extra for the
Understand.
rent.
So he does this technique.
This is a temporary one. So he crush the ice, put the salt, so that ice will melt very slowly. So
Understand.
the entire कितनी बार ice बर्फ बदलते हो? Only one time. Morning before.
da.
You want to taste? You can
Understood.
taste it is salty.
No, I don't want to taste.
Okay?
Thank you.
This is a local fridge. With local refrigerating system. Without
Yeah.
electricity. Only he has to pay for the ice. For the company, factory, ice will come, he will crush it and place it here.
But how much time the ice?
He put the salt on that one.
So the whole day.
Oh, entire
Whole day.
Entire day. So how much he is going to sold it out? Only that? The salt. He don't have to. He's not running a business of 24/7 because evening time no one used to come here. This is the spice market. It's just biggest spice market of dry fruit, spices. Sony, come with me.
I'm coming. Kumar.
Just see, this is the market here.
Yeah.
Hari Boli. Hari Boli, Delhi 6. This
Okay.
is Asia's biggest market of garment, spices. This is only for the spices. 70,000 shops are here.
70,000.
Big to big size, small to small size.
Understand.
Plus and minus. On the street, as shops are not there, they used to sell like flowers and everything.
But only on Sundays, right? This
Every
one.
day, this one every day.
Every day. Okay.
As they got a space, they will sell it. If the
Okay.
space is not there, they will move from here.
Okay.
They are not fixed. They are fixed.
Understand.
They are paying the taxes to the government. On street, no taxes.
No taxes. For free.
Free.
Okay.
Almost say free. So, but those who are paying the taxes, government is labeling them under the municipality.
Okay.
So that means they are paying the taxes. Otherwise, if police come, they will run from this place.
Understand.
They are fixed. They give you the bill for buying. This is the size of the shops. This is the size, one size. This is the size.
Das ist Real India, Freunde. Ich komme echt nicht drauf klar. Datteln.
Come over to one of the spice store where you can see different types of spices. Whatever the price has been mentioned is kilogram. This is the local spices. This is nutmeg. That's the mustard, cinnamon Sri Lankan,
Yeah,
cinnamon
cinnamon.
Indian. You can feel the taste. This is Indian with the bark. This black cardamom for the curries.
Black
Star-
cardamom?
for the curry.
Okay, for curry.
Yeah, this is star anise, black pepper, black cloves, then paprikas, long peppers. More, he will explain you.
Hello,
Have a
sir.
look.
चल भाई चिकन
Chai Masala, Freunde. So wird das gekocht. Das ist so Ginger-Tee. Ist bei denen im Gebrauch. What is this?
Coriander,
Huh? Koriander. Okay.
bags of coriander.
Koriander, sagt er.
निकाल रहे हो क्या आप लोग आगे चलो
Wie die das schieben, oder, Freunde?
coming up down
Okay.
one going आवत रहा जावत रहा we call in Hindi आवत रहा जावत रहा that means incoming going
Okay, okay, okay.
you see the bags bags
Ja.
there the labor used to live they wash just see someone is washing here
Ja. Der duscht gerade da. They're living here?
they're living here in this area
Der duscht da.
okay, someone is bathing
What do you think? How much kilo is this?
yeah this is 50 kg 50 किलो का ना
हाँ नहीं 40
40 40 kg
40.
40 kg
40 Kilo, das heißt 40, 80, 120, 240, 360, 480, 500, so 700 Kilo trägt er
हाथ
gerade.
दिखाइए इधर ऐसे करिए
See you guys. See you, yeah? Bye bye.
इनका नाम सोनी है सोनी
Sony, see you. Bye bye. 700 Kilo schieben die. Ganz manuell.
ओके
Like 700 Kilo, right?
700 किलो
Wir müssen echt froh sein, dass wir in Deutschland leben, Freunde.
One more back, please. Come side, side, side. चल ले जा
Geht er, geht er, geht er, geht er.
ले जा
Leja.
Leja means move.
Leja. Leja. Leja?
Leja, take away. Move.
The song. Leja. Same?
Say.
You know the song?
Which one?
Bole Chodian?
Yeah, Bole Chudiya.
Leja. But not the same,
Yeah,
right?
somewhat. Some lines are.
Okay.
That is Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes.
Hello.
Chunky Chongmark, Freunde. Genauso wie ich mir das vorgestellt habe. Zentrum im Old Delhi. Old Delhi wurde von der britischen Kolonie nicht angefasst. Die Locals und die Einheimischen sind hier geblieben. Und so ist halt auch Neu-Delhi entstanden, die Hauptstadt von Indien. 35 Millionen Menschen leben hier, über 1 Milliarde in ganz Indien. What do you say? How many people living in Delhi?
33 million.
33 million. In Old Delhi?
Only in Delhi. Not. This is all mixed up.
Okay, and how much people living in Old Delhi?
All Delhi.
You don't know?
Maybe 4 million.
Maybe 4 million, okay. 4 Millionen Menschen leben hier in Old Delhi. Ist so ein bisschen ein abgekommenes Viertel. Viel Armut. Genau, und wurde halt von der britischen Kolonie so ein bisschen vernachlässigt. Und 1940, glaube ich, war das, haben die sich von der britischen Kolonie nochmal befreit. Selbst die Regierungsgebäude, was ich heute Morgen gesehen habe, am India Gate, das ist wohl der größte Regierungsgebäude auf der Welt, also Präsidentenhaus, größte Präsidentenhaus. Selbst das wurde von der britischen Kolonie erbaut. Der hat einfach einen Huhn. Ah, what is he doing? I filmed it, okay? Wait. I only have 200, you know? Wait, I get. Yeah? How old is she? What do you think? 10, 12? Crazy talent. Yeah? Crazy talent. I hear you. Ja, gut. Die hatte Talent, oder Freunde? Sit.
किनारी से निकाल देना, पराठे वाली गली पे रोक देना, या तो तुम मेरे को कैसे कर ले, या तो मोती बाजार में उतार दे।
सीधा
हाँ
सीधा ले ले रहा हूँ, पराठे वाली गली पर उतर जाना, वरना मोती बाजार पर उतर जाना। सीधा ले ले रहा हूँ।
मेरे को मोती बाजार पे उतार दे, मैं जो किनारी से घुमाता हुआ पराठे वाले से निकाल दूँ, मेरे को वेट कर। इट्स ओके।
Okay.
I can wait here.
Sorry.
Hey, it's okay. No problem. I don't want. You can smoke. I do have actually from last 2-3 days. I'm having a cough, so the smoke gets in. I'm getting more.
Okay. Der hat wohl Hustenprobleme, oder Halsprobleme besser gesagt. Und ich habe mir eine Kippe angemacht. Jetzt sagt der Rauch zu Endorf, ich kann nicht in die Nähe kommen.
Afnan.
Name?
Afnan.
Afnan.
Afnan.
Afnan. How old are you?
कितने साल का है? 18.
18? What's your name, sir?
आपका नाम क्या है जी? है? सुल्तान. सुल्तान.
Sultan.
King.
King. Muslim name.
Yeah.
Yeah?
He's Muslim name. He's also Muslim.
He's also
name.
Muslim. I'm from Turkey. You know Turkey? Türkiye?
तुर्की जानते हो? तुर्की. इस्तांबुल नाम सुना है? नहीं.
No?
तुर्की से.
Wer kennt Türkei nicht?
Turkey, I think you know Empire of Turkmen, no? Turkmen Empire.
Turkmen? Ottoman Empire.
Ottoman.
Yeah, Ottoman Empire.
Turk.
Also little bit Mongol Empire, but before Ottoman Empire. Mongols who lived here 1000 years ago. Also Turkish history little bit.
Turkey is much more like a mix of Asia and Europe.
Yeah, correct. Istanbul is connected with one half in Asia, one half in Europe. Connected to, you understand?
Yeah.
Sultan, see you. Bye bye. What we see as next?
I will show you the parathe wali gali and Kinari Bazaar. Paratha means Indian bread. We do 4 shops which are running from Legacy.
Indian bread.
Indian breads. Paratha.
Is it clean? There?
Where? To sit.
No, there. The restaurant, the bread restaurant.
Yeah.
Is it clean?
Area is okay. You can see by how the local people used to come in.
Can I eat? Try?
You want to try? Can try.
But here is no problem between Hindus and Muslims and no
in
problem.
India is the biggest secular country, you know.
Okay.
We respect everyone. In India is a secular country, 4 religions found in India. Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikh and Jainism found in India. 5 we got from the other part of the world. Islam, Christianity, Zoroastrians, Judaism and Baha'i.
Okay.
India is the biggest secular as well as the biggest public country.
So how many Hindus lives in India? Like 600, 500 millions?
I will tell you in the percentage, I would say 72%.
72%. So like, yeah, more than 700 then, yeah?
Yeah.
And like 100 million Muslims or more or less?
100 million, more or less.
More or less, okay. Do you see the sign, this Hindu sign?
Hindu sign.
You see the sign?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, it's called a swastika.
Like this?
Yeah. It's an auspicious sign for us.
That is forbidden in Europe, this sign.
Yeah,
You know why?
Hitler.
Yeah.
For us, it's an auspicious sign.
Very, okay, spiritual sign, right? Holy sign.
Holy sign.
One more.
Like the street, Indian bread. अब किधर रुकोगे आप? किधर मिलोगे मुझे? चलो.
Good. Okay, brother. See you, yeah?
The street.
Parante, Bali Gali.
It's like, yeah, in bread.
This street. Parante, Bali Gali street. That is how they make this, right? What
Yeah.
you showed me before.
Yeah. He put like
Ice?
this is ice. Now he put salt.
Okay. Crazy. Leute, so das Essen, was mir vorhin gezeigt wurde, die haben halt keine andere Kühlmöglichkeit. Es wird so viel Eis verschüttet, Salz drauf gemacht und das hält wohl das Essen ganzen Tag kalt.
First shop of Paratha, 1889.
1889.
They make the Indian bread.
Okay, I will try later, but not now.
Okay. Yeah, just see what he do. He would flat the bread. He would put the fillings. What are the fillings? Then he would fry in clarified butter.
Okay. We come back here?
Who?
We come back here?
No.
No.
No. If you are like you told that tomorrow you are going to come, you can come here.
Okay. Okay. I will try later. Not yet. I'm not hungry. Oh, come, let's try. Let's try. Yeah? Okay.
Don't worry. He is making the cookies.
Sir, can you check?
This is the second shop, 1875.
Oh, sorry. Ich habe diesen Boot schon mal ausprobiert, war wirklich sehr, sehr lecker.
1872.
1872 gegründet. Also for bread?
Same.
Same.
In 70.
1870. Diese Brot habe ich aber wirklich probiert. Hier traue ich mich nicht so ganz. Das war wirklich sehr lecker. Say again?
Kinari Bazaar, the street, the size of the street.
Yeah. Very small. How much? For one piece?
One piece, you can see, check it out. 200 rupees. Whatever the use. Depending on like potato if you're taking pulse, anything else.
You want also?
No.
Brother, you know what? I will try later. Okay.
So it's up to you.
Okay. I'm not hungry. I had a breakfast 1 hour ago. Und außerdem habe ich das schon mal probiert, aber hier sollen die echt sehr, sehr lecker schmecken und diese Straße ist wohl bekannt für dieses Brot. Aber es ist wirklich eins der leckersten Brote, die ich probiert habe. Leckerer als türkisches Brot, lecker als Kasseler Gartenbröckerbrot. Jalebi, right? Jalebi.
Jalebi.
Jalebi ist deren Baklava. Redford.
Redford भारी दिखा चलो फिर सीधा पार्किंग पे लगाओ चलो.
Redford, same builder in with Redford in Agra?
No, same family, same empire, but made by Shah Jahan, 5th Mughal emperor.
Okay.
Redford in Agra was made by the 3rd Mughal emperor.
Okay, so same family?
Same family.
But later?
Later. This was made in 1648.
Say again? 15?
1648.
1648.
There is a Gurudwara, worship place for the Sikh religion.
Okay, okay. I think this girl was a hijra, correct?
Yeah.
You know hijra?
Yeah, Hijra, transgenders.
Yeah. I think this was a hijra. You see it? A girl sitting there.
Maybe.
Maybe?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't see?
Yeah, you will find a lot of transgenders, Hijras on the,
Yeah, here?
on the street lights. साइड से निकालो, उधर कचरा डाल रहे हैं, इधर से ले चलो.
She smoking marijuana. She. Lot of people here smoking marijuana, right?
Yeah.
I think it's a spiritual thing, right? Marijuana?
No, it's like a drugs only. But
Okay.
near to the temples, you can see. In India, it grew like a wild grass.
Okay. It's cheap here, marijuana? Cheap?
Green grass can be found anywhere. Near to the temple.
Okay. Okay. Lot of barber.
वो पूरी
Da ist einfach ein 10-jähriger Barber. Der war echt noch ein Kind.
You might have seen the barber on the streets,
Yeah.
under the tree.
I tried before.
Oh.
I tried before. 50 rupian, I gave him 500. The barber. He was very kind, you know. That's also my job in Germany. Barbering.
I saw a lot of in Facebook about the barber shops. Some barber shops are very they, as the customer said, they will offer cigarettes, alcohol,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
they trim it.
yeah.
Is it true
True, yeah,
in Germany?
yeah.
Every shop.
Not every shop, but it's kind of service, you know.
Yeah.
But it costs like one haircut, like 30,000 rupian.
30,000?
Yeah, 30,000.
Oh my. Serving the alcohol.
It's kind of service, yeah, that's why we're serving. Da ist eine fette Schlägerei.
It's about like $100, $200.
Ah, I'm sorry, wait. Like $30, $40.
40?
Like $30, $40.
Not 30,000.
No, sorry, my mistake.
So $30 is something like
Like 3,000, 4,000.
3,000.
Yeah. Okay.
then you're getting a pack.
Yeah. Ah, okay, we are in the same place.
Yeah. फिर उधर पे पैसे मांगेंगे हैं? नहीं है।
क्या करूँ मेरे पास कोई बच्चे नहीं है।
Finito?
You give it to him. He'll pay.
Here, brother. Nice to meet you,
अरे आप
okay?
ये क्या?
Nice to meet you.
रिक्शा उसके भी दे देना रिक्शा के दे देगा ना तू 200 आपके हैं
Ciao. Yeah. Was he not happy with this?
No, it's okay. Actually, that money will not get to him now. He will get the entire money in the evening.
Okay.
This is all contract.
Okay.
So they will not get the money now. They will get all the tipping and all in the evening.
Okay.
They will deposit. Otherwise, quarterly.
Okay. Because he don't say thank you like this, you know. But no worries. Okay, we finish here, Chunky Chok?
Yes, Chandni Chowk.
Okay.
So I hope you enjoyed.
Wow, very, very nice. That's real India. Das war Chunky Chok, Freunde. Hab so einiges erzählt. So eine zentrale Lage im Old Delhi. He's there. I saw him. Das war's von mir. Viel Spaß beim nächsten Video. Ciao, ciao.